Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. Today's video about replacing the rear view mirror on Toyota Camry. This is 2006. Basically, this method works on almost any car in there. Most of the new car that you have the mirror attached to the windshield, most of them is going to be similar. Some of them they have extra covers, different type of screws, but this one specifically for a Camry. Which is this model goes from 2002, I believe, till 2006. Anyway, I'm replacing the mirror for this basically over here. This car have 95,000 miles on it, and basically the mirror is just garbage. I don't know why, but it is what it is. This is all what you need for this one. This is a Torx bit. See if the camera will focus. Probably not. Here it is. I'm not positive what the size is, but I think it's either T10. Probably it's a T10 from what I'm seeing here. Basically, let's take a look over here. There's a screw. You just basically loosen that. And wiggle, pull all mirror out. And you see there, basically there is a piece of metal in here. You slide it on, and basically you tighten it. Don't be stupid about it and over tightening it. You might break your windshield. Just snug, and we are good. Test the mirror, make sure everything is good. So anyway, I took this from 2004. From the junkyard. This one is 2006, which, as you can see, it's exactly the same mirror, same size, same style, same everything. Yeah, that's all what it takes to replace the mirror in Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching the channel, and have a great day.